Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick video on how to become a certified AI specialized operations expert. As you know, these days everyone is talking about AI, so the need for certification becomes more and more important. And in this video, I will quickly run you through the things you need to learn in order to become a certified AI specialized operations expert. We do this using CompleteAItraining.com, which is basically a platform that has AI training programs for 220 different professions. And so I'm pretty sure your profession is in here as well. And in this case, we will mostly talk about all the operations professions that are available. So if you check the operations courses page, you will see all the different available courses here. So from IT specialists, network administrators, system administrators, operation managers, etc. And for example, if you take the operations managers page, then you will find a whole bunch of video courses over here. And all these video courses are essential for their certification, or especially the ones on the top here. And they basically bring you from beginner to advanced and give you all the basic knowledge there is to know on AI as a operation manager. And then if you go to the prompt courses, we show you everything you can do with AI via prompts. So you need to run through these as well. Good. What are some of the benefits of having this certification? Well, first of all, the certified AI operations specialist status is very essential these days. In any job, you need to at least know the basics on AI and actually become an advanced AI user in your job. Because by not doing so, you're basically behind on the rest of the world, more and more and more. It's not that every operations specialist uses AI yet, but you definitely increase your job opportunities, because these days somebody who uses AI will definitely and has experience with AI will definitely be hired upon you if you don't have experience with AI. So this is one of the main arguments. Besides that, by using AI, you will save a lot of time because you're more productive and you are more efficient at your job. So this is a huge benefit. Basically, by having the certification, you will future-proof your skills. And this definitely, basically you show that you future-proof your skills, you take your job seriously. And on average, we see that people who use AI have can ask for a 30% higher salary, just simply because they're more efficient, more productive, if you use AI properly. So this justifies this 30% number that we see on average with our Complete AI users, Complete AI training users. And basically you prepare yourself for career growth, if you will. So yeah, what's the process of becoming certified? Well, first of all, you can apply for the certification on this page. By the way, we got a whole bunch of certifications on CompleteAItraining.com. So if you want to have more than one certification, that's also an option, since there's also training programs for all of these certifications. Anyway, first of all, you apply for a certification. You can do that on the bottom of this page. So your job title. So you can type your job title there. That's for this example. And then there's a whole bunch more questions. So that's blah, blah, blah. So you fill in this little form. Then we will check if you're eligible. So one certification is basically $99, but if you are a subscriber, you get one certification for free. And the subscription is also $99 a year. So we basically advise you to take the yearly subscription, and then you'll be automatically eligible for one certification. If you want more than one certification, it's again $99 for non-subscribers. And as a subscriber, you get 20% discount. So it's just $79 if you want more than one subscription, one certification. So this is an important thing to know. So once you're eligible, we directly send you, or within a day or two, we send you the certification exam. So this exam consists of 20 to 30 multiple choice, more theoretical questions. So you show us and the rest of the world with your certification that you have the basic theoretical knowledge, and then there will be 4 to 8 practical long-form project-based questions. So this number is always variable because the tests are variable. So with these long-form project-based questions, you show that you have real-world experience in operational scenarios related to your job. So by doing that, basically, that's how you get your certification fully approved. The approval process is a manual evaluation that we will do within a few days. If we're busy at the moment, it's a few days, even though we're quite busy. So yeah, that's a full manual process, and then you will either pass and you will directly receive your certificate/diploma as a certified AI operations specialist. And if you don't pass, we will give you extensive feedback on what you need to learn. So yeah. After this, so we will still give you this extensive feedback on what you need to learn. So you basically have all the knowledge that you need to know in order to apply for the certification again. So if you apply for the certification again, since this is a full manual process, you do have to make a payment again of $79 as a subscriber, $99 as a non-subscriber. But in general, we see that people who follow both the video courses and the prompt courses very well, they are basically ready for the certification exam. So the video and prompt courses basically make it easy and give you that eureka moment. So in general, we see that pretty much everyone who follows these courses in detail and practices a bit with AI will succeed. But again, it is important that you follow these things, these courses. Good. Yeah, so far this information. If you want more information, please go to our certifications page where we explain all of this. You can also apply for the certification over here. And there's also a big FAQ section there. If you have any questions, just contact us by the contact page, which is also on the bottom of the page. Don't hesitate to ask. Feel free to ask. If you're interested in CompleteAItraining.com, go to the site. At the moment I'm logged in. If you're not logged in yet, you will find a sign up page on the top here, on the top of the page. You can search for any job there, any of the 220 jobs we have in order to find a training program. And yeah, have a look there. And I hope to see you soon as a certified operations expert. Okay, have a wonderful day. Cheers.